How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be replacing the rear differential fluid on the 2017 to 2022 Honda CRV. Before we start doing this job, you want to make sure you lift your vehicle and make sure your vehicle is level, and always use proper jack stands before you go underneath any vehicle. So to do this job, very quick and easy, you're just going to need a catch can for the fluid, a 3/8 ratchet, and you're going to need this dual pump fluid 2 differential fluid. You can get this from Honda. I will put a link down in the description if you need to pick some up. And you'll also need one of these pumps to put your fluid back into your differential. So our first step, we're going to see if we can get our fill plug loosened up, and we'll just take it right out, because if you go to drain your fluid and your fill plug does not come out, then you're not going to be able to refill this thing. And your ratchet should fit right in there just like that. Okay, so now that we have that out, now we can go to the other side of the differential and drain all the fluid out. So here's our drain plug, and we will just stick our ratchet in and loosen this up and remove this and let the fluid drain out. Okay, now we can screw our drain plug back in, get this snug, and then give it a quarter of a turn. And now we can put our little pump together. This part just screws right onto the quart, and that hose goes on. The manual says this takes 1.32 quarts. So what we'll do is pump fluid in there until it starts slowly running out, and then we'll put the fill plug back in. And you can see it's starting to run out. So now just take your fill plug and reinstall that. And we'll get it snug, and then about a quarter turn. And that completes this video on how to change your differential fluid. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button.